Hi guys, it's Fix here, and today I've received a package. So I presume this package is a Rosewell PC case fan, and this fan apparently has red LEDs and it matches my theme. So let's open it. Okay, so that's what you expect. So actually, more on this. So here's the story on why I bought this. So basically, my case only came with one fan, and it could hold 5 fans. So basically, I need a lot more fans in my case because I want to keep it cool, even though I'm using MSI Afterburner, which is a good program for controlling your fan speeds. So what I did for my channel was I bought this can and 4 other fans, 4 different types of fans, all red LED, but they're 4 different types of fans. This is because I want to review these for you guys. So yeah, let's open the box. Okay, so what you get when you come out of it is the pin connector for fans. So I assume that you attach this to your fan. Of course. Oh wait, these are extensions, so these extend your pin connector for your fan. This actually looks a little big. Make sure it's 120 millimeters or 120 millimeters, but this looks a little too big for 120 millimeters. Okay, but so we get a warranty. No. This is a warning label, because, okay, so it's just a warning label telling you how this can cause spark effect, contains lead and all that. Okay, but, so, the fan has a braided cable, which is very nice. It means that it'll keep it, long lasting. I can't seem to find the LEDs, but I assume that the LEDs will be inside here like most fans. And we'll go straight to the installation. Okay guys, so what you guys want to do first is you guys want to know which way your fan wants to face, and also whether it will be an intake or an exhaust. So normally on fans there will be an arrow, like on mine. You just can't see it, but it's right here. It's basically saying that the air is going this way. So, for my fan, since it's facing the top and hot air rises, I will be choosing to put this as an exhaust fan. So basically you want to place it where you want to, and if you're like me, who is an organized freak, you want to find a cable tie. Currently at the moment I don't have any, sadly, to organize your cables, so I'll just be using a rubber band for now, temporarily. But you want to close off the cable. Okay, so after when you're done closing off the cable like that, you should definitely do this with a cable tie. It looks a lot more clean. But basically what you want to do is you want to place the fan up top the way that you want it. So, like I said, mine will be an exhaust fan, so I will be pointing upwards. So the air will be taking out air instead of taking in air. Hey guys, so after when you aligned it and chose where you want to put your thing, what I suggest you do is that these fans right here, they don't come with threads. So they're just solid holes. I'm not sure if you can see that, but they're just solid holes. So what you want to do first, you want to take your screwdriver, you know, put it on top, your screw on top, and then you just want to start screwing it in. So I've just finished my threads, so you can see the holes are not threaded, and I suggest using a flathead. You can't really see that, but it's basically a flathead screwdriver, so this way you'll strip the holes a lot less than you normally would. Okay, so now you want to take your handy dandy screwdriver, and then you want to start screwing in your fan. start screwing it in diagonally. So you want to go from this hole to this hole, and then this hole to this hole. So I've just bolted in my fan, and the last part to do is to take the pin connector and connect it to, of course, any pins that say system fan. So mine's up there. There you go. And everything is now connected. So here's the fan running, guys. As you can see, it's actually a fairly quiet fan. The reason why you're hearing so much noise is because of my CPU cooler. And what I would suggest with this fan in particular is to get some rubber garments if you can, some thin rubber garments, and then screw this in, because this causes a lot of vibrations through your case, and this is what is making a lot of noise. So overall though, it's a good fan. It has 2000 RPM, and you can adjust the speed still, so it's blowing a lot of air out actually. I'm surprised. So this concludes my installation and unboxing video of the Rosewell fan. I hope you guys enjoyed.